What's up mga kanayan? This is How Easy. So if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon para naman updated ka sa mga susunod ko pang mga videos. So let's start. For today is all about the slopes, no? So we have 4 kinds of slope, no? Different types of slope. So we have a positive slope, we have negative slope, zero slope, and undefined na slope. Again, we have 4 types of slope, no? So positive ang slope if this line is rising to the right, no? Pataas siya sa kanan and then falling to the left. So this is a positive slope. Ang negative naman, no? Rising to the left and then falling to the right. Ang zero na slope is parang horizontal siya, no? Horizontal talaga siya. Horizontal, that is a zero slope. And undefined na slope is vertical. So, para maintindihan nyo, no, ng mas maganda, no? So, meron tayong scene. Example, no? Magandang example na si Mr. Slope Guy, no? Si Mr. Slope Guy magaling, mahilig mag-bike, no? So, kapag si Mr. Slope Guy ay uphill, pataas, no? Ang sinasabi niya is push, positive. Pataas siya, no? Push, positive. Nakikita niyo dito. And then, pag pababa naman siya is nice, negative. And then, pag pantay, no? Mabilis yung kanyang ang kanyang anlat, no? This is parang napapabilis siya, no? Yan, zero. Parang yan, zero. And then, nalaglag siya, napasigaw na lang siya ng undefined. So we have 4 kinds of slope. Again, no? Positive, push, positive, no? Then nice, negative, sheer, zero, and undefined. So, punta tayo sa computation, no? So, sa computation ng positive slope, makikita nyo rito, no? Sa example na to, no? Na sinumpute ko yung slope ng line na to using the formula. Ang ating formula for slope is m divided by m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Kung makikita nyo, 1 is our x sub 1, no? Rising and to the right, y sub 1 to the left. No? Ito yung negative 2 and negative 3. And then the point, makikita nyo, number slope niya is our x sub 2 and y sub 2. So, anong gagawin natin sa mga points na yan? So, ipa-plug in lang natin sa ating formula. What is our y sub 2? Which is negative 1 minus, dahil minus to, no? Negative 1 minus negative 3 divided by the 2 minus x sub 2, which is 2 minus negative 2. So, ang mangyayari dyan, no? Negative 1, simplify, negative and negative becomes positive 3 over 2, negative and negative becomes positive again 2. So, the answer will be positive 2 over 4, or this is 1/2. Dito naman, no, may kita natin, no, sa example na to, no, siya naman is rising to the left, falling to the right. May kita natin ang computation dito sa ginagawa ko na to, no? Again, using the slope formula, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, may kita nyo rito, no, na kinumpute ko, and then I got a negative slope because it is rising to the left, falling to the right. So, negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7 over negative 3 minus magiging addition ito. So 3 plus 4. So the answer will be negative 7 over 7, or 7 divided 7 is 1, may negative. So negative 1 is the slope of this example. So ngayon, no, try natin isolve yung 0 ang slope. So again, in this Cartesian plane, no, makita natin na may line, horizontal siya, and then choose 2 points on the line, no. So in this line, no, meron tayong negative 5 and 4, then 3 and 4. Again, no, what is our slope? No, formula for slope. Ang slope na formula ng slope natin is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Again, what are the points? No, negative 5, 4, and 3 and 4. So ipapalaglag natin sa formula, no? So this will serve as the x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So mangyari dyan, no? M equals y sub 2, which is 4 minus 4 over 3 minus negative 5. So magiging 4 minus 4 is 0, diba? And then 3 negative magiging positive, plus 5, or 0 over 8. What is 0 over 8? This is 0. So the slope is 0 kapag horizontal ang kanyang line. So ito naman, no, for the undefined, tingnan natin, no. So from this Cartesian plane, vertical naman yung line. So we will get 2 points. So point 1 is 4 and 3, and 4 and negative 2 using our slope, no, formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So plug in the formula, no. So m will become negative 2 minus 3 over 4 minus 4. So ang mangyayari dyan, no, so negative 5, because negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5, over 0, again, no, 0 ang denominator. It means this is undefined, no. Kapag 0 yung iyong numerator, any number na ilagay nyo rito equal sa 0. Kapag naman, no, pwede yan, equal sa 0, kaya nga parang on, pwede, no. Pero kapag n, any number, tapos 0 yung kanyang ilalim, which is no. Ang tawag dito is undefined. Hindi ba? So that's all, no. So sana may natutunan kayo, no. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, no. And then hit the bell icon, no. So salamat, no. Keep staying with me, no. So that's all. Good luck, soldier.